So the factors which define an urban area. Let me write that. Factors that define. So first one is location. Second one is site. Third is situation. And fourth is function. So these are the four factors which define an urban area. So if we talk about location, urban area must be located near good transportation facility, like it must be located along any river or along any coast. That's why most of the big urban centers are at coast or any along any river. That's the location thing. And then for location, it can be near any transportation center like an airport. Now nowadays they make airports or the railway station or any land transport like subway network or the bus rapid transit network. Bus rapid transit example is the green line of Lahore. And yeah, Karachi also has a green line, but that is a showpiece green line. Okay, then the next factor which define an urban area is the site factor. So in if we talk about site factor, then we have to study the relief of that area, which kind of relief is there, either it's a plain area or it's a rugged terrain, uneven surface, or there's drainage network or marshy area. So that is the site of that area. And the site factor also includes the climate of that area. So the terrain, the landscape, and the climate are the main part of the site factor. Then next is situation. So situation factor is a human factor. Like when we were doing the location and site thing, so we were considering more physical and more natural factor. But in situation, it's more of the human geography thing. Like we can say it's more of human interaction, that what is the situation of that area where an urban area is present, situation in terms of socioeconomic condition, situation in terms of political condition, situation in terms of law and order. So if there is uh, peaceful area, and what are the socioeconomic status of the people, either they are very poor or very rich, or which class of society are living there, which type of people are living there, what races, which language. So these are included in the situation factor. Then in the situation, we can say it also includes demand for any specific commodity or a good, that what people need in that particular area, or what other areas are expecting from that area. So this is the factor of situation. Then last one is function. Of course, it's now after taking the number of classes, it's quite easy to understand that function is one of the very important factor of an urban area. Like which special kind of function is provided by that area. Either it has a steel industry, or it has a mining industry, or it has a textile industry, or any other kind of industry. So that is the main defining factor of that urban area. So that is function. And plus there are some areas, some urban areas where function may be uh, the production of the supply of raw material, or it can be like let's take some examples in Pakistan. When we talk about the Sialkot city, and they have recently introduced Air Sial as well. So Sialkot city is famous for its function of sports goods and surgical instruments. Then if we talk about Faisalabad of Pakistan, its function is mainly in textile sector. Then Gujarat of Pakistan, it's famous for electronics, especially small consumer electronics like fans and um, washing machines, like that. Then for Karachi, it's a multi-function area. So this is the factor of function. So these are the things which define any urban area. Okay, so our next topic is measure of degree of urbanization. How much an area is urbanized and what is the level. So there are different methods to measure the degree of urbanization. Let's make a list of uh, those measures first. Number one, it's called as Lawrence Lawrence curve. Then Gini coefficient. Okay, Gini coefficient. Then we have urban density index in percentage distribution model. Percentage. Okay. Scale of urbanization method. Scale of population concentration method. Median value method, and average spacing method, primary index of urbanization, then rank size rule or the rank size method. So these are some of the common measure of degree of urbanization.